Hello and welcome everyone. This is Kaylin's English podcast. This podcast is designed for English learners. I'm here to help you practice your listening skills. I'm Kaylin, a professional English teacher on italki. How is everyone doing today? I'm doing good. Today's topic is phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are idiomatic phrases consisting of a verb and a particle, or they can at times contain two particles. They are very common in English, especially in informal contexts. This episode will give you the phrasal verb, its meaning or meanings, and examples of how to use them. I am not going to call off this episode, so let's begin. Call off is our first one, which means to cancel, or something will not happen, or stop something. Please call off your dog. I don't want to be bitten. I'm going to call off work tomorrow. I'm not feeling well. The meeting has been called off. We can go to lunch early. Did you call off our son from school today? He has a high temperature. They called off their wedding due to the pandemic. I'm going to be calling off my trip to Germany as I now have another engagement. Keep around is our second phrasal verb. It means to keep something near you. I keep a pen around just in case I need to write something. Some people keep around pepper spray when out of the house just in case. I like you. I think I'm going to keep you around for a while. I keep my phone around just in case of an emergency. Do you keep a dictionary around when doing your homework? He keeps a bottle of water around when he exercises. I hope I don't black out during this episode. She blacked out while watching the game. Black out means to fall unconscious. It was scorching hot yesterday. I felt like I was going to black out while waiting for the bus. Have you ever blacked out before? I hate the feeling of blacking out. Some people black out after receiving a shot. I am one of those people. She blacked out right in front of me. I did not know what to do. I am never going to live down the time that I stumbled across the stage at graduation. You need to live down this already. No one saw you fall on your face. Live down is our next phrasal verb, and it means to stop being embarrassed about something. It is hard to live down accidentally calling the teacher mom or dad when you are at school. As you get older, it is easier to live down past situations. My brother will never live down the time he gave my sister stitches. My brother will never live down running into my other brother's car that was parked in our driveway on his bike. I passed by Tina yesterday. She was on her scooter. We need to pass by the house on the corner before turning left. Pass by means to go past without stopping. Life just passes us by. I passed by your house yesterday. Your renovations look nice. I passed by the park today, and they have built a new slide. If you pass by the store, could you please stop and grab some milk? She passed by me without saying a word. Cross off is our next phrasal verb. It means to draw a line through something. I crossed doing the laundry off my chore list. Please cross Jim off the guest list. He will be out of town that day. I enjoy crossing things off my list for the party. You need to get things crossed off your list if you are ever going to succeed at university. Please cross that off our grocery list. I grabbed it in aisle 2. I feel like dressing up today. You're dressed up today. What is the occasion? Dress up means to wear nice clothing. We need to dress up for our dinner tonight as it is a fancy restaurant. My work requires me to dress up often as I need to impress clients. I enjoy dressing up for weddings. When was the last time that you dressed up for something? People dressed up during the quarantine to make it feel like more of an occasion even though they stayed home. What is your favorite outfit to dress up in? Hand over the remote. The race is almost on. Please hand over your homework and I will check it for you. Hand over is our next phrasal verb, and it means to give, usually willingly. We need to hand over the evidence to the police so they can find the robber. She handed her phone over to the teacher when she got caught texting in class. Everyone must hand over their cell phones before beginning the exam. I will hand over my computer so you can get some work done. Please hand over the tickets that I bought. Our final phrasal verb is keep out. It means to stop from entering. The dog needs to keep out of his food supply, otherwise he will get fat and possibly sick. Please keep out of my room. I'm trying to get some work done. I always told my brother to keep out of my room, as he would regularly break things. Keep out of the abandoned warehouse. It is dangerous inside. My friend wanted the squirrel to keep out of her house, but he always found a way to welcome himself in. Keep out of my way, as I am in a hurry. You need to keep out of your dad's way. He had a tough day at work. I think that is enough phrasal verbs for one day. Let us go over them once more before we end this episode. Call off. She called off her doctor's appointment today as she had to go to work instead. Keep around. We should keep around a chicken to have fresh eggs daily. Black out. I am in so much pain that I hope I do not black out on the way to the hospital. Live down. I'm never going to live down running into a closed glass door. Pass by. I will pass by my old home. I wonder if it has changed at all. Cross off. We crossed everything off our list. May we please go to the movies now? Dress up. I need to dress up for school tomorrow as it is picture day. Hand over. You need to hand over that flashlight. I can't see where I'm going. Keep out. Please keep out of this room. I just cleaned it and I don't want it to get dirty as we have company coming tonight. Once again, the phrasal verbs were call off, keep around, black out, live down, pass by, cross off, dress up, hand over, and keep out. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like more content, then please subscribe to this podcast. You can also support me on Patreon. Find me by typing in Kaylin Teacher. On Patreon, you can gain early access to the podcast and transcriptions. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Kaylin_teacher. Thank you for listening. I hope you all have a great day. Until next time, bye!